Hi everyone. So in today's tutorial I actually wanted to show you about paperwork. The paperwork you can actually print out from MagicQ. You can print out the paperwork as a PDF files and also as a CSV. So I'll show you quickly how to do it. So have you ever created your stage and you wanted to actually print the paperwork and give it to the rigger, so he will be able to actually rig all your fixtures and also put the correct DMX address? So if you ever thought about this, MagicQ can actually do it for you if you didn't know by now. So what can you do is following. If you look in your visualizer, that's just a basic demo file, you can see you've got some different looks like front side, left side, side view, etc, etc. So it would be good to actually have it as a PDF file. In order to do this, you have to, in the MagicQ, click on File button, then you go here and press Print Paperwork. When you do that, MagicQ offers you a few options, and just to make it easier for you, all you have to do here is to press Create PDF. It's going to bring you the window. You can type in here, let's say test paperwork, and press Save. So now the paperwork has been saved. So let me open the file and show it to you. So if you look here, I've got the folder where I dropped it, so it says test paperwork PDF, and you always have to open it with the Adobe Acrobat player. So if you right click, and on the Mac I open it with Adobe Acrobat Reader. So because I did notice that in some other PDF readers you won't be able to actually see some of the lines. So in Adobe you can actually see it pretty well. So the MagicQ will create for you several pages where you will see your flow and plot heads. So this is the top look, and you will see your the head numbers, floor plot, front look. This is the front look you had. And after that is going to be flown plot DMX. So that means it actually will show you the DMX address of each head. So all the generics and all the moving heads. So if you go here, you will be able to see the DMX addresses here. And if you go, for example, to the front plot view, you will be able to see it says Universe 2 address 193. This head is a multi-head and the address is Universe 5, DMX address 1, and so on and so forth. So you will be able to actually see also what each head is. I mean the type of the heads, the whole patch list. If you scroll lower, you will be able to actually see all the attach objects as well, and the fixture patch. So in the fixture patch you will see the head number, so exactly as you had on some of the pages above, their DMX address. It tells you how it's positioned, on what truss it's connected to, just to easy identify, the manufacturer name of the head and the model, and also the DMX channel. How many DMX channel does the fixture have? So you can scroll through your heads, and then it's going to get to the, so you go through the fixture patch, and the last document is going to be the truss and pipes. So the truss and pipes are going to be here as the name of the truss, the position in a 3D space, and then here are the diameters and the size of the of your objects. So it's been in the MagicQ for years, so but if you didn't know, now you know about it. So another thing you can actually print, if you just want to print out the patch list and you want to print out as a CSV file, so you will be able to amend it and maybe use it to import it into the other visualizers or any other third-party software, you can actually press again File, and print paperwork. But before that, you go here, you can actually go here to the patch, view heads, file, print paperwork, print window, and then here you can actually define. So the main difference between print window and print paperwork is print window will allow you to print out the data from specific window. Like in my case, at the moment, it's the patch list. Some windows that are basically formed from as sort of spreadsheet, you can actually print out individually. Or if you want just to do the whole plot, as I showed you before, then you would use the paperwork. So as we're in the print window, you can actually select here which columns you would like to export into your file. So for example, in your case, it might be the head name, head number, the tag if you want, the name, and if you're using the gels, you can actually choose the gel. And also you can use pan and tilt invert, and you can use pan and tilt offset. Let's say we're happy about it, then we have an option. We can create another PDF file if you just want to send it as a PDF for people to print out, or you can actually create a CSV file. Again, press create CSV, you can give the name and press save. After that, we can go back to this window and you can double click. It's actually going to open in the... I'm on the Mac, so it's going to open in the wrong software. Normally I would open in the Excel, but it opens in the numbers, which I normally don't use. So, but you can see it here straight away. This is the patch file, and you can see the gel, pan tilt inverts, all the information here. So you can open it in your Excel spreadsheet and then change it here, and you can use it in for your own purposes. Maybe if you want to use it to enter the data into some of your separate files. You could also do the same thing from file, in the Magic Cube file, print paperwork. But when you're in the print paperwork, you can actually decide what sort of paperwork drawings you would like to export. And you can actually export directly just the export CSV file of the fixtures. You can sort them by head number or by the DMX, or you can print out the rigging position. For the riggers, you can print out the dimmer information, or you can print out the fixture position CSV. That means the one that's going to actually come out with the information about the XYZ position and XYZ rotation. Again, you can always go and print out as the PDF, you can print out from your local printer, or you can export as a CSV. Cool. I hope it was useful for you. Thank you and have a lovely day. Bye-bye.